Local news for Tuesday the 17th of July. The Saddle Road to Palmerston North has seen regular delays in parts for ongoing maintenance. However, from next week, for a week, beginning on Monday, the Saddle Road will be closed for westbound traffic between 8:30am and 2:30 daily. Eastbound traffic will expect delays. Over $30,000 was raised Saturday night at the annual Wairarapa Cancer Society ball. The sell-out event saw suits and frocks donned and auction items up for grabs, with the most popular a Jane Sinclair painting and a fishing trip for $5 with Piriwipu. And a date has been set for next year's iconic Castle Point races, Saturday the 9th of March, the same day as the Harvest Festival and Relay for Life. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men are through to the next round of the Chatham Cup after beating Stopout 2-1 on the weekend. The women's team sadly went down 3-1 to Wellington. And tonight, a spectacle of football as Wairarapa United take on the Wellington Phoenix. Trust House Memorial Park is the venue with kick-off at 5:30.